you won't believe this, but the government literally pays people for being broke. And no, this isn't some scam or welfare check. Most people have no idea this exists. Today, I'll show you exactly how to claim this money before it's too late. Every year, billions of dollars are just sitting there, waiting to be claimed. But guess what? Almost nobody knows these loopholes exist. From secret grants to refund programs, I'm about to break down 3 crazy ways you can get paid legally just for being broke. First, did you know the government might be holding money that actually belongs to you? It's called unclaimed funds. And right now, there are over $50 billion in forgotten bank accounts, tax refunds, and government payouts just sitting there. All you have to do is check if your name is on the list. Visit usa.gov/unclaimed-money and select your state to start your search. In the UK, unclaimed money can come from various sources like dormant bank accounts or unclaimed estates. To find out if you have any unclaimed assets, visit gov.uk/unclaimed-estates-bona vacantia and mylostAccount.org.uk for bank accounts. For USA viewers, in 2023 alone, over $900 billion was distributed in different stimulus packages. Some programs are still running today. Check out benefits.gov to see what you might qualify for. And for the people in the UK, the UK government offers various support schemes during tough times. Visit gov.uk benefits to explore available grants and support. This one is insane. If you're struggling to pay your bills, there are programs where the government will actually pay off part of your rent, utility bills, or even student loans, but you have to apply. For people in the US, search for Your State and Then Rent Assistance Program or visit usa.gov Financial Assistance to see what's available in your area. For people in the UK, look up Your Council and then Housing Benefit or check gov.uk Benefits for information on housing and utility assistance. Now you know, there are legit ways to get free money from the government, and most people are just leaving it on the table. Don't be that person. Check the links, I have them all linked in the description as well. Claim what's yours, and make sure to smash that subscribe button because I'll be exposing even more insane money secrets in the next video.